Morning, I hope you can hear me. I decided to come to the beach. It's going to be a sunny day. Although it's still quite cold. So, came all the way down. I figured it'll be the last chance I get really before the winter kicks in properly, and I'm hoping to get some decent wave pictures if I can, if I don't get myself soaked in the same process. So yeah, it's about 10:30. No, it's not, it'll be about 11:15 now, and it's, what day are we on? Thursday. Thursday. Okay, we'll click back in a bit. I'm watching the waves. Been trying to get some decent pictures. Well, it's gonna get calm now that I'm trying to show you, but it's quite impressive, I think, when they start. There we go. Wait. Only kind of show a couple of little ones now that I've pressed record in it. Let's see if I can get a big in it. Oh, you'll come. It had some really powerful waves. It's cool. I nearly got caught. I was just on the edge and nearly got caught, but I didn't quite. I could sit here and watch this all day. Just been in Morrison's and spent 20 quid. They didn't have any meat cheese muffins, so how very rude. It's disgraceful. Anyway, while I was in there, someone got arrested. Well, he punched one of the security guards. I think they were shoplifting. Him and his missus. I'm saying his missus, might not have been, but it was a man and woman. And he was asked questions by the security guard, and then I heard him shouting, and then the next thing, the security guard was saying he'd been punched, and then there was a tannoy saying, could all the members of staff like go down to the front of the shop. And then in the process of all that, I came out the wrong door because I was being too nosy. That's what happens when you're too nosy. I don't know what I've just been filming there, but it's probably this guy. Anyway, do I go up that way for a bit, or just go back that way? Because I would really like to go through the park as well. I think I'll go this way. So this is Roker Park, and we're having a what's it called? the Festival of Light. Yeah, so the Festival of Light is on, but you're not allowed in the park from 3 o'clock, and it's £3 to get in, but you've got to book because it gets really busy. So yeah, but they've got all the different light things, which none of them's obviously lit up right now, but yeah, you can only come in and out certain exits. So they were trying to work out what I think they're meant to be butterflies in front of us, and then I'm guessing this was like bonfire night stuff. Like, this is bonfire night stuff, I should say. Hello, there's a pirate and a chicken. And a Humpty Dumpty. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Guessing all these are Guy Fawkes from different schools, I think, by the looks of it. And we've got the usual play park area, which hasn't changed. And down there is the bandstand, which is getting a redo. Apparently we're going to have a band, like the bandstand's going to get done over. Done over? Sounds wrong, done up. Yeah, bandstand's going to get done up, and then we're going to get a calf put somewhere in here, and also like outdoor like seating area thing that you can watch shows and stuff that's on the bandstand, I guess. So yeah, but I've heard a few people say that the Light Festival of Light isn't as good as last year, but I never went. I'd really like to go just to see it, you know what I mean? Because, you know, just to see it, I guess. But it's awkward, you know, like, because it's late on, finishes late on. It's like, how will I get back in the bed? You know what I mean? Need help and all that. There's a spaceman. Some spacemen and a tiny rocket over there. So, and then them look like dolphins and a mermaid on that one. And I don't know what this is. Fish? Yeah, fish and an octopus and more fish. It's like a horse, and I think that's like a mermaid's tail, and then there's other stuff up there, including dragons and things. And if we go around the pond, there's a few ducks. Ducks. Some food places down here, I think, and I don't really know what else because I haven't been and I haven't seen it, but I'm sure it looks better with the lights on it and all, so you can see proper, do you know what I mean, and actually tell what things are. It's like a rabbit. That's a rabbit. And that's a van. Reindeer. Squirrel, bear. Let's go up to this top bit so you can see that. So there, giraffe at the back, and a camel, and some elephants, horses, flamingos. I think that might be a tiger. I think that's a lion, which you probably better see when it's on. Ostrich at the back, and then there's a Sunderland sign. Look, it says Sunderland. And there's a few other bits, but that sun's blinding me now. So apparently there's a Jurassic Park thing. The size of the truck. I suppose it has to be some of the size of the dinosaurs, doesn't it? It's the biggest ones in. It's just the last few dancey, queeny, princessy type ones on this side. I'm sure they look much better when there's actual colour on them with the lights, but you know. And then from there we've got some more fairground rides. It's like for little kids. Anyway, I'm going to make my way out. I will catch you later. Hello, it's now 6:30. Obviously I'm home. Had tea and all of that stuff, and so I'm going to wrap this up. I've forgotten what else I needed to say and I can't remember now, but yeah, I think I'll wrap this up. And oh, I tell you what I can do. So little Jackie's sleepy. He's been to the groomers. Well, he did on Monday, but he's not gonna he's gonna stay there and not gonna get up. So I can't show you. Isn't that right, Jasper? Jasper? Yeah. You show your pretty face. No, Jasper. Look. Hello. He's so sleepy. Bless him. Anyway, I shall put a video up of something else you might fancy watching, and Oh, actually, one other thing. There's still a few prizes that haven't been claimed through the raffle. There's about 9 or 10 people who haven't claimed the prizes. So please check that you haven't won and get in touch with us via my email if you have. I will only keep them till, I don't know, 2 weeks after. We'll say 2 weeks after the raffle, so that's say the 14th of November, because I want to obviously get them all shipped out and sorted, and if anyone hasn't claimed them by then, I will send them to the charity shop, and they can sell them on and get some pennies for them instead. So, okay, anyway, yeah, that's it. I'll put a video up on here, and you can, you know, go and watch that. If you're not subscribed, please do, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye now. Bye bye.